Okay, so we're in the airport.
Hi vlog.
Wait, does it?
4:28 a.m. in the morning.
Actually, it's 4:31 a.m.
Well, it was 4:28. Woke up at 2:45.
I woke up early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Had to open up my window, get the shadows out my way. Banana pancakes for my problems, find me jamming old Jack Johnson. Swear I heard them angel calls, lay outside as heaven falls, heaven falls.
Hello. What is up, fam? But now I'm just extra bored. I don't know what to do.
I'm perfectly fine. He's just gonna
Give it a light.
All down on me. Nothing quite like all this color. Couldn't paint a better day. Got good times on the horizon. I can see them on the way. Couple birds came up beside me. Had to feed them some Bob Marley. Swear I heard them angel calls. Lay outside as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls, as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes. We are in Cozumel.
That was messed up. We're in
going
the car.
Vroom, vroom to our villa.
We are going to get our condos, villas, tiki huts.
Can we sunscreen?
No, I don't want sunscreen.
Oh no!
Oh, we will see you once
We gotta
we're
take
driving.
Instagram baddie photos.
Falls, heaven falls, heaven falls, as heaven falls.
Hey guys, so this is day 2 of Cozumel. We are going to a very special place called Cozumel.
Down on me.
Swim with the big fat piggies. They're actually. Oh, also, we woke up this morning and took a run. And
Yeah.
while we were taking
We're
a
Sister
run,
Athletic.
there
We're
was
Sister
a
Stretch.
peacock on our balcony because it was chilling there, and then it jumped on
Yeah,
our roof. So.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're round it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. darker walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing works.
Day 3. How many hours did you sleep?
Or is it gonna be reversed?
Yeah.
Sound it and just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls.
Today we are going to the cacao factory and we're gonna get some samples and our own drinks, and we can actually
We'll get that.
buy some because
Five
it's like
cubes.
the it's like the nice and thick.
Like I should. When in darker, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in darker, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.
I'm not zooming in. Hi guys, so today we're going to breakfast and I am well rested because, you know, I slept unlike everybody else. I look like strawberry ice cream and then vanilla ice cream.
We live and we lie and we fall and we fly. We win and we lose. So for now let's all enjoy this view. Yeah, we live and we lie and we fall and we fly. We win and we lose. So for now let's all enjoy this view. Let it be. Let it be as it is. Remember me. All we got are memories in the end. I wanna be humble, be a good friend. Give more slack than I'm bringing. Cherish all the good times, learn from the rest. Heart on sleeve and head in chest. We live and we lie and we fall and we fly. We win and we lose. So for now let's all enjoy this view. Yeah, we live and we lie and we fall and we fly. We win and we lose. So for now let's all enjoy this view. Life can be so amazing if we stop all the chasing. Good times are always waiting, so take a look around and you'll never see them wasted. Turn the other cheek, switch your angle. Get out of the loop that's got you tangled. And there's a sunset and a sunrise, so open your eyes. We live and we lie and we fall and we fly. We win and we lose. So for now let's all enjoy this view. Yeah, we live and we lie and we fall and we fly. We win and we lose. So for now let's all enjoy this view. Met this girl down by the vine. Had long tan legs and big brown eyes. Seemed the type I would wanna make mine. She said, I can tell you're not my type. You're Mr. Wrong, I'm Mrs. Right. This could never be what you wanna be tonight. Said, don't you worry, don't you fray. I got 24 ounces of Bombay. Can we work it out? You don't have to be alone. She said 9 to 5, I'm killing time, but 24/7, 365 might have to be where I feel your sunshine. 1 to 2, step 3, step 4. She's everywhere out on the dance floor. She's everything you could ever want and more. She said, boy, these are the terms to play. If you hit and run, there is no way we could ever be what you plan to be. Said, girl, I set the record straight. I got shelves of them, just go press play. We could spin it all, you don't have to be alone. Whoa. She said, 9 to 5, I'm killing time, but 24/7, 365, might have to be where I feel your sunshine. From the send of my surprise, she comes to me and locks my eyes. Says, boy, you know what, I guess you're alright. She said,